Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy air fryer onion rings. You can also make them gluten-free too. So let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 large white onion or a sweet onion, 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 cups of gluten-free or regular flour, depending on how you're making it, 2 eggs, 2 cups of gluten-free or regular breadcrumbs, and salt to taste. Now, if you don't have buttermilk, I have a trick for that too, so just stay with me. First, you want to cut the onion into about a 1/4 inch thick slices. And you're going to place this in a shallow bowl or dish with the buttermilk to soak for about an hour. This just takes some of that potent flavor down a notch or 2. Now, if you don't have buttermilk, use regular milk and then add just about half a tablespoon to a tablespoon of white vinegar to it, and that will do the trick. While those are soaking, go ahead and get a bowl ready for the flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Each one needs a separate bowl, and be sure to beat the eggs together so they're nice and well combined. So first you're going to dip each slice of onion into the flour, and you want to get this well coated and then shake off the excess. So now you've dipped it into the flour. You're wanting to shake it off before you move it to the eggs, which is going to be next. When you dip these in the egg, it's very important that egg covers all parts of that onion. Wherever there is an egg, no breadcrumbs are going to stick to it. So it's vital that you get the egg coating the whole onion. That's what ensures that the breadcrumbs are going to stick. Whenever you get it coated, shake off any of the excess. Now you're going to dip that onion that was covered in egg in the breadcrumbs, and you want to get them well coated with breadcrumbs. So really dip it in there and coat that onion well. Once you get them coated, you're going to spray the air fryer basket with olive oil cooking spray. Then place an even layer of onions in the basket. Once they're in the basket, spray them again with olive oil cooking spray because you do need some oil on these onions to get them to work right. Once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and shut the lid and air fry at 390 degrees for 5 minutes on each side. As I said, you'll go ahead and air fry them at 390 degrees for 5 minutes on each side. When you flip them over, carefully flip them over, add more olive oil spray. To any part that kind of looks dry, you want to add the oil to it. And then you'll do the additional 5 minutes, so that's 10 minutes total. Open the lid and you'll have some golden onion rings. Now, if you want them to be even more golden and brown, just add a little more olive oil cooking spray and it will get them nice and softened and look real golden brown. Then we like to add salt before serving these. So you can salt them right after you spray them with that additional olive oil spray and salt them up and eat up. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these air fryer onion rings, which can be made gluten-free if you need them to be. You can find this recipe and more on mommyhatescooking.com, or you can find all my air fryer recipes on airfryerfanatics.com. Thank you so much for joining in, and I hope you join me next time.